Hi everyone, I just wanted to quickly share a brand new feature we've added to the time tracker for Acumatica. And what we've done, we're on the task screen in Acumatica now, and we've added the set task action directly to this screen. So formally, if you've seen some of the videos with our time tracker, the set task would need to be executed from the time tracker screen, and then you can pick your task or project, production order, etc. But now, from the task screen, you can choose set task, and I'm going to go ahead and click it, and it will perform the same action as when you perform the set task here. And I'll do this little refresh down here to show. We just executed a task out to our prior task, which was just Project X. There's no specific task or project selected, and a task in to this task, approved pricing discount for Toy Star. Go ahead and update this time. We're going to make it be at 9 o'clock. And we're going to go to this next task I've got open. So this task, I actually have a project, task, and cost code defined. This prior task, there's no project. So when I hit set task, it just executed it right away. Here, when I set task, since we have a project involved, it is going to confirm the labor item. So this defaults off the employee, but it makes sure that's indeed the one that is needed for this particular task. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that and hit OK. And we've now done the same thing. We've clocked into this task from our prior task. So if I revisit the time tracker again, we'll see we've got a task out to the approved pricing for Toy Star and a task in with project information for the Stone Creek Medical Center. And I'm going to go ahead and update this time as well. And we'll just say that was at 11. I also want to show that we've added this capability to the cases screen. And when you set the task on the case screen, you can also choose the activity type. You can default that in as well, but you could have different activity types for different scenarios that you may want to track separately, even against the same case. You can change your activity type while clocked into the case. All right. And we'll show the kit assembly as well. We have also added it to this screen, so you'll see the ability to set task on your kit assembly and start tracking your time. The same thing as the cases, you can also select your activity types, and that's actually where that assemble activity type was intended for. And you can see I've got assemble, package, pick, things like that you may want to divide the time up. Even on the same kit assembly, you may want to come here and say, hey, I'm moving to the next activity type, which is in some ways similar to an operation. All right, let's come back to our time tracker, and here you can see we've got a task out to the task that we were working on initially, and a task in to this case that we clocked into. And then finally, we've got a task out to the case and a task in to that kit assembly we clocked into. And notice it is also recording those activity types as we go as well. So that's a rundown of the brand new feature. So far we've added the set task capability to the task screen, the cases screen, and the kit assembly screen. Thank you.